Hi guys, welcome to Khushi's Kitchen. Today I am going to prepare stuffed bittergourd recipe from my home style cooking recipes. This is my grandma's recipe which I would like to share with all of you my friends. If you like the recipe, then press the like button and share it more with your family, friends and relatives too. Please consider the channel Khushi's Kitchen for subscription and press the bell icon to get notified of my new upcoming cooking recipe video updates in advance. Let's start the video and quickly have a look to the ingredients which are enlisted for making this recipe. The ingredients list with detailed measurement are given here on the front page after starting the video. To make stuffed bittergourd, here I have taken 5 bitter gourds, that is 250 grams of bittergourd approx. First I am peeling the bitter gourd gently with a peeler by giving a very light pressure of hand to make the bitter gourd plain. Then I am cutting the bitter gourd from the side and taking out the inner part of the bitter gourd, including the seeds. You can see here I have completed peeling and taking out the inner part of the bitter gourd. After doing this step, here I am taking a bowl of water where I have been added salt to taste and turmeric powder. Now I am dipping all the bitter gourd for 45 minutes to this water. This step is to be done or has to be done for removing the bitterness of the gourd. Now I am taking another bowl where I am keeping the inner part of bitter gourd with the seeds and also the greener part of bitter gourd. This also I am dipping in a bowl of water where salt and turmeric powder is added. After 45 minutes, I am taking out the bitter gourd from the turmeric water and then wash it again with plain water and keep it aside. Now I am placing a frying pan on gas burner, switching the flame on high. Am adding some mustard oil in it. When the oil becomes heated and the smoke comes out, at that very moment I am squeezing each bittergourd and adding it to the frying pan and fry it for hardly 2 to 3 minutes. By following the same process, I have completed frying of bittergourd. Now keeping it aside on a plate. Now I am going to prepare the stuffing part. After washing the same frying pan, again I am placing the pan on the gas oven. Now I am roasting some whole coriander seeds and also some whole fennel seeds. Now after roasting them, now I am keeping it aside by removing it from the pan on a plate. After roasting the seeds, now I am adding some mustard oil in it. When the oil becomes heated, here I am adding some whole cumin seed, some whole mustard seed, some whole fennel seed and also a little bit fenugreek seeds, and stirring the seeds until the seeds start crackling. When the seeds started crackling, here I am adding some ginger pieces and also hing powder, asafoetida and curry leaves too, and keep on stirring for a couple of minutes. When the good aroma comes out from the whole seasoning, now here I am adding some gram flour and roast it well a little brown. Then adding turmeric powder, cumin powder, coriander powder, red chili powder, also Kashmiri red chili powder, amchur powder or chaat masala and black salt too, and cook the masalas well, adding little water in it by stirring it continuously. When the oil oozes out from the whole masala, then I'm turning off the flame and keep it aside. Now here I'm taking a wok and placing it on a gas burner, switching it on. Now adding some mustard oil in it and allows the oil to be heated. When the oil becomes heated, then first I'm adding some chopped onions. Now giving it a good and quick stir for 2 to 3 minutes. Then adding same quantity of ginger garlic paste and allows to cook until the raw smell goes out from the whole masalas. Then I'm adding the inner peeler part of the bittergourd, which I dip in turmeric water also for 45 minutes. Also adding the seeds and the inner part too. After washing them with plain water and squeezing them also, and allows cook for another 5 to 7 minutes. When the oil oozes out from the onions and also the other ingredients, then here I am adding the roasted masalas from the frying pan to the wok. Here also adding a little bit water too, and allows to cook for another 5 minutes. Before turning off the flame, I am adding some coriander leaf too and mixing it well while stirring. When the oil started oozes out from the sides of the masalas, then I am turning the flame off. Allows to cook the stuffing totally on normal air. In the meanwhile, previously I have dry roasted some whole coriander seeds and some whole fennel seeds. Now I am crushing the both seeds up to half crushed. When the masalas become totally cool, then here I am adding some whole ajwain, also adding sugar, salt to taste, and mix the half crushed whole coriander seeds and whole fennel seeds. After mixing them very well with hands, now in one hand I am taking one bittergourd and very carefully filling the inside of the bittergourd with the stuffed masalas. By following the same process, I have completed the whole. Now is the time for preparation of the gravy. For that, I am taking a bowl, adding little bit whisk yogurt, also some turmeric powder, cumin powder, coriander powder, and same quantity of ginger garlic paste. Also adding the rest of the whisk yogurt, then giving a quick and good stir. Here I am adding white mustard paste and also poppy seed paste. Once mix well with the spoon, then adding some grated coconut, salt to taste, and some amount of sugar. Now mixing the whole well with the help of spoon, then transfer it in a non-stick or adding a little water while washing the bowl of the masalas, stirring the whole well again. Then I'm adding some mustard oil and some green chilies. Now placing this non-stick or on gas burner, switching the gas burner on low flame and let it cook for 5 to 7 minutes. When the gravy started bubbling or boiling, then I'm adding the stuffed bittergourd in the gravy and allows to cook until the stuffed gourd become well cooked. Now we are done. Our sweet, sour, spicy stuffed bittergourd is ready to be served. After giving an outstanding time of 5 minutes, now I'm garnishing with some green chilies and a handful of coriander leaves. I am serving this tasty, delicious, yummy stuffed bittergourd with steamed rice, best served with chapati, roti, paratha, naan, etc. I am ending today's video here for the time being with this prayer that all of you be stays well and will come back shortly with a new cooking recipe video. Till then, stay tuned, stay connected. Thanks for watching. Thanks to all.